Two old friends meet again, wearing older faces, talk about the places.
Best Media Awards, Best Custody Program.
Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How were they to know someday they'd meet again and never need for more than reminiscing? Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that they had back when they were too young to know when love was real. But somehow some things
Kaya
never
dyan.
change. And even time
Kaya
hasn't
dyan yung tawa ng ano. David.
brighter than it did before. They've got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment,
Good.
I found the one my life would find. It's in peace. So as long as I live, I love you. We'll have it, hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is and with this ring,
Nasugatan na po tayo ng peso para hindi na tayo tumal. So guys, thank you for watching. And see you next video. And God bless po. Ayan guys, good morning po. Ngayon ay kapitan na po ako ng aking peso. Babataas lagyan ng peso. Guys. Mag-practice ka na lang sa'yo. Bumag mo na ako. Thank you,
na Sunday, pasensya lang ako, kakauwi ko lang doon. Sige. Sige ka mamaya ha. Okay, bye-bye.